What's up, investors? In this video, we're going to be looking at my entire Robinhood portfolio where it has reached back over the $8,000 range. I'm Mike the Investor. If this is your first time hanging out on the channel, be sure to go ahead and smash that like button for me and share this video out with a friend. It really helps out the channel and it helps this video get out to a broader audience. Now let's jump into the video. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead and check out my Robinhood portfolio. So now, as we can see, my portfolio value is $8,131.13. During market hours, I was down 0.45%, and after hours, I was down 0.13%. So as we go over to the 1 week, we can see I am up 0.28%. As we look at my 1 month, I am up 1.04%. As we go over to the 3 month mark, I am down 2.10%. As we look at my 1 year, I am down 3.16%. And for my all time, I am down 3.43%. And for my buying power, I only have $26.33. So now we're going to scroll down and look at the first stock, which will be Procter & Gamble. I have a total of 3 shares. We scroll down here to my position. We can see I have a total of 3 shares. My average cost, $110.29, and I am up 5.11% on Procter & Gamble. So now we're going to go to the next position. It will be 3M. As we move down here to my position here, you can see I have a dividend coming up June 12th for $5.88. I have a total of 4 shares. My average cost is $159.62, and I'm down on this position at 2.07%, which is equivalent to $13.20. So now we're going to go to the next position. That will be Johnson & Johnson, and this is one of my favorite holdings in my portfolio. This is a healthcare stock, a dividend king, a very safe position in my opinion as well. As we move on down, you can see I have an upcoming dividend from Johnson & Johnson. I have a total of 4 shares. My average cost is $139.70. I am up on Johnson & Johnson at 6.47%, which is equivalent to $36.18. The next position will be Coca-Cola. As we move down to my position, I have a total of 10 shares. My average cost is $49.32. I am down on this position at 4.50%, which is $22.20. The next position will be Altria. As we move on down to my position, I have a total of 10 shares as well. My average cost is $47.63. My total return, I am down 18.01%, which is equivalent to $85.77. My next position will be Archer Daniels & Midland. Now this position has recovered quite a bit. As we move down to my position, you can see I have a dividend pending for next month. I have a total of 4 shares. My average cost $39.02, and I am now back up on this position at 0.75%, which is equivalent to $1.17. As we move over to the next position, AT&T, moving on down to my position here, I have a total of 5 shares. My average cost is $31.25. I'm only down on this position at 1.13%, which is equivalent to $1.77. My next position will be Microsoft. Now this is my largest position and one of my strongest positions in my portfolio. So as we move on down, you can say I have an upcoming dividend from Microsoft as well. I have a total of 5 shares. My average cost is $171.87. You can see it is 11.33% of my portfolio, and I am up on this position at 6.88%, which is equivalent to $59.10. And as we look at my equity here, it is $918.45. So you can see I almost have $1,000 worth of equity in Microsoft alone. So as we go over to the next position, it will be Starbucks, and this is the second largest position in my portfolio. So as we move on down here, you can see I have a total of 12 shares. My average cost is $85.32. And as we can see, actually Starbucks is my largest position. It's a little bit bigger than Microsoft. My portfolio diversity is 11.60%. My total return, I am still down on Starbucks at 8.13%, which is equivalent to $83.25. The next position will be Disney here, and Disney has been on a tear, and this is one reason why I did not sell out of Disney when they cut their dividend, because I knew it was just a way to be cautious on what may come ahead. So if we move down to the position here, you can see I have a total of 6 shares. My average cost is $117.68. So you can see I pretty much have broken even on this position here. So as we move over to the next position will be Pfizer. As we move on down, you can see I have a total of 10 shares. My average cost is $39.05. I am down on this position at 8.06%, which is equivalent to $31.47. And you can also see I have a dividend coming from Pfizer as well next month. So the next position will be AES Corporation. As we move on down here, I have a total of 10 shares. My average cost is $16.05. I'm down on this position at 22.18%, which is equivalent to $35.60. The next position will be Bank of America. This is the second largest bank in the United States. As we move on down, you can see I have a total of 10 shares. My average cost, $28.57. It is only 3% of my portfolio. I'm down on this position at 14.81%. The next position will be Realty Income. So now this is going to be the first REIT out of the 3 that I hold here in my portfolio. As we move on down, my position, I have a total of 10 shares. My average cost, $72.14. I am down on Realty Income at 23.33%, which is equivalent to $168.32. The next position will be Stag Industrial. As we move down, you can see I have a total of 10 shares. My average cost, $29.88. And I'm down on this position at 9.95%, which is equivalent to $29.75. And I'm down on this position at 9.95%, which is equivalent to $29.75. Now the next REIT will be Innovative Industrial Properties. As we look at my position, I have a total of 5 shares. My average cost, $74.49. I am up on this position at 9.70%, which is equivalent to $36.14. So now we're going to look at the last REIT. Now this is one of the other companies that have cut their dividend. I have a total of 18 holdings, and only 2 of those companies have cut their dividend, which is Disney and Apple Hospitality REIT. So as we move down here to the position, I have a total of 50 shares. My average cost is $14.58. I am down on this position at 30.33%, which is equivalent to $221.09. Now we're going to look at the last position in my portfolio. It is also the only ETF that I hold. As you can see, it is PowerShares S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. This is a very popular ETF. There's also a monthly paying dividend ETF as well that has consistently paid their dividend even through the market downturns. So as we move on down, you can see I have that upcoming dividend. My position, I have 10 shares. My average cost, $42.87. I am down on this position at 22.38%, which is equivalent to $95.93. That is every single position that I hold, all 18 holdings. I have a total of 17 individual stocks and 1 ETF. So I'm going to scroll back up so you guys can see. And as you can see, once again, the portfolio value, $8,131. So that's the Robinhood portfolio. Be sure to let me know down in the comment section. Now, I have not made any trades since the last 2 weeks. I've kind of just been waiting to see what's going to happen in the stock market, and also I've been kind of putting my extra money in other things as far as entrepreneurship and other assets as well. Also, if you are a new investor and you haven't checked out the Robinhood platform yet, go ahead and click the link down in the description. You will get a free stock and I get a free stock. It's a way to help us both out so we can get another free position to put into our portfolio. So hopefully you all enjoyed this portfolio update. Hopefully I will see you all tomorrow with my dividend update to show you how much I received in passive income. I'm Mike the Investor. Remember to stay inspired, stay motivated, invest in yourself, and I will see you guys back next time.